think I know what I got.
What do you think you got?
Some book. Look. Here's an Angelina book. And a Cafe book. And another Cafe book. Look, here's the one we never ever had.
We don't have that one, do we?
Ha!
What'd you get?
Another backyard than one.
Another backyard again?
What I see? Wow! With a snowman and a hat on. And look. This looks is a summer one.
What? Hold that book up to Mommy.
Look.
That looks like it's for summertime. Nobody's in shorts. They all have snowsuits on.